Welcome to Artificially Intelligent, where we take the mystery out of artificial intelligence and make it practical for real people. Lately, it feels like everyone's talking about AI. Some are excited about what it can do. Others are worried about what it might take away. If you've caught yourself wondering whether your job could be replaced, or if you're somehow falling behind, you're not alone. We're living through a shift that feels different, faster, less predictable, and more personal. The truth is, AI isn't just another gadget or application. It's a new layer of technology that's starting to touch almost everything. And with that comes uncertainty. But here's the part that often gets missed. AI isn't here to take your place. It's here to take the tasks that drain your time, not the skills that make you valuable. What matters most now isn't how fast AI grows, but how fast we learn to work alongside it. That's why I decided to create this series. It's designed for real people who want to understand what's happening without the hype or the jargon. Over the next few episodes, we'll explore the tools, the concepts, and the habits that can help you stay ahead. You'll see how AI can make your day more efficient, your work more creative, and your ideas easier to bring to life. You don't need a background in tech. You don't need to understand code or machine learning. You just need an open mind and a willingness to explore what's possible. Each episode will build on the last, from understanding how AI thinks, to using it for your job, to creating something entirely new. If you've ever felt left out by technology, this is where you catch up. If you've already started experimenting, this is how you go further. Either way, this series is about turning curiosity into confidence. Artificial intelligence isn't a threat to who we are. It's an opportunity to decide what comes next. If you're part of Gen X, you've lived through more tech revolutions than most. You've watched the internet arrive, saw cell phones shrink, and somehow ended up carrying a supercomputer in your pocket. So if AI feels like just another next big thing, you're not wrong. But this one's different. This isn't about gadgets or upgrades. It's about a shift in how we think, work, and create. Artificial intelligence, at its core, is the ability for machines to learn from information and make decisions that seem human. It's not magic, and it's not replacing us. It's mimicking how we process data, only faster. We often hear people talk about AI as if it suddenly appeared. But the truth is, it's been decades in the making. The difference now is access. What used to be locked inside research labs and tech companies is suddenly available to everyone. In your phone, your browser, and even inside your favorite apps. So, what changed? A few years ago, a breakthrough happened with something called large language models. These are programs that learn by reading massive amounts of text, everything from books to websites, and then generate language that sounds natural. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, and Meta AI are all built on that concept. Each one gives us a window into how far machine understanding has come. ChatGPT is built for conversation and creativity. It can help you write, plan, explain, or brainstorm. It's like having a collaborator who's read everything but still listens to you. Copilot, Microsoft's version, works inside programs you already use. Word, Excel, Outlook, helping you get through the parts of your day that feel repetitive. Gemini is Google's take, woven into Android and Workspace, merging the search engine you grew up with and the intelligence you've always wanted it to have. Meta AI shows up inside Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, offering quick answers or ideas right where you already spend your time online. Each one has its own personality. You'll notice it when you use them. Some are more conversational, some more factual, some surprisingly good at writing like a human. Over the series, we'll look at which ones work best for different goals, from professional use to personal growth to side projects you've always wanted to start. Now here's the part that matters most. You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI. You don't even need to understand how it works under the hood. Think back to when you first used a computer or when the internet showed up and everyone said, "I'll never need email." We learned it, we adapted, and it became normal. AI will follow the same path. The question isn't whether artificial intelligence will be everywhere, it already is. The real question is how you want to use it. To save time, to learn faster, to start something new, or to get ideas out of your head and into the world. The people who get the most out of AI won't be the ones who know the most about it. They'll be the ones who aren't afraid to explore it. And yes, there's always debate about the risks, job changes, misinformation, privacy. These are real issues. But so was every major shift in technology before this. Electricity changed work. Computers changed communication. AI will change how we use both. What matters is that we stay curious enough to shape where it goes instead of letting it shape us. Over the next few episodes, we'll explore how to use these tools to make your everyday life easier and more efficient. We'll start with chat-based AI, what it can actually do, how it's different from search engines, and why understanding prompts is the real superpower. We'll also look at how free versions compare to paid ones and when the upgrade actually matters. You'll see that some of the best AI experiences cost nothing but a few minutes of curiosity. If you've ever looked at new technology and thought, "That's not for me," this series is for you. You've already adapted to more change than any generation before you. And that makes you more ready for AI than you think. So take a breath, stay open-minded, and let's figure this out together. This is Artificially Intelligent, where we make smart technology human again.